G'day and welcome back to Build Some, and another quick video to help you increase or refresh your construction knowledge. And in this video I want to look at the tolerances for erecting our trusses. So how plumb can your trusses be, or how out of plumb can they be, and how straight do they need to be, especially along the bottom chord. So if you think you know, throw something in the comments, otherwise stay tuned for the answers. Alright, so how did we go? How plumb, let's start with plumbness. How plumb do you think we're allowed, or how much tolerance do we have in the plumbness of our trusses? So the code and the guide to standards and tolerances says that trusses that are erected with a vertical deviation of more than the lesser of h divided by 50 or 50 mil are defective. So what's that mean? Well, basically, if your truss is 1 metre high, you can have up to 20 mil out of plumb. If it's up to 2 metres high, you can have up to 40 mil out of plumb. And if the truss is exactly 2.5 metres high, it can be 50 mil out of plumb. But anything above that, you can't go higher than 50 mil out of plumb. So if you had a 3 or 4 metre high truss, you're still only allowed the 50 mil out of plumb. So there's the tolerance for plumbness. And then the other tolerance they give us is for how straight the bottom chord and all of our chords should be. So what it says there is, it's the length divided by 200, and again, or 50 mil is the maximum. So again, to break that down, if your section of truss or your bottom chord's 2 metres long, you can have a 10 mil deflection. If it's 5 metres long, you can have a 25 mil deflection, but 10 metres is the max. So at 10 metres, you'll be allowed a 50 mil of deflection, and anything above 10 metres, you're still only allowed that 50 mil deflection. So I hope that helps.